In this short video, I'm going to show you how to only delete on mobile in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and head over to the mobile version of your Wix website. Now, before I show you how to do it, I do want to explain a very simple rule that Wix follows. When you delete something on mobile, it does not reflect on desktop. However, when you delete something on desktop, it automatically reflects on mobile. Now, with that said, what we can basically do is, let's say we want to get rid of this text right here, which by the way is also available on desktop. If I just head over here, you can see the T-Shop header is also available on desktop. So let's go back to the mobile version and let's quickly delete it. So in order to delete an element, whether it's an image, text, or whatever it might be, simply click on it to highlight it and then simply press the backspace button and that will automatically delete it. By the way, you can also press this button right here to hide it, but in this case, I'll just get rid of it. Just like that. Now, since we only want this text deleted on mobile, if you head over to desktop, you will see that the text is still here. And that is because, like the rule that I explained in the beginning of the video, when you delete something on mobile, it only reflects on mobile and it doesn't affect the desktop website at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to only delete on mobile in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.